because I want all those thick slime from in the can to get out. Look, so it's nice and clean. Okay, I have 2 cups of rice, 1 can of black beans. I have 2 cloves of garlic, a half an onion, some thyme, some cilantro. I'm gonna add all that to my rice. I use sazon to color my rice. Tomato sauce. I will do half a cup of tomato sauce. Salt to taste. And I have my sweet pepper to add to it. I have different colors of pepper. The pepper is like a whole pepper because I have a piece of green. With a red pepper. And I have the pepper in the freezer. You could freeze them. This is the orange one. Tomato sauce is hunt. Okay, I'm gonna measure it. Yes, 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna add water. Two. 2.5 cup water. Let's mix this up. Okay, now I'm gonna add salt to taste. And I'm gonna put 2 packs of sazon. Sazon would give the rice a nice yellow color. See, they have nice color. To this now, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. Crack, if you don't have country crack, you use any butter. If you don't have butter, you could have used 2 tablespoons for olive oil. Don't worry, the butter gonna melt. Okay, this is finished. I'm gonna pop this in the oven. Put in my rice at the same time. You could smell everything. It smells so good. Quick stir. Cover my rice back. Yeah, just left the rice a few minutes more in there. Okay, I'm gonna check on my rice. Make sure all the water dry, cook nice. Oh, yes. Perfect, perfect. See, it's dry. And if you wanted more yellow color, you could add more sazon if you want. But this is the way I like it. So yellow rice and beans, you see the pepper, everything cooked. So I'm gonna take it out of the oven now. Add any beans, you could put olive in it, whatever your choice. Sometimes I did it with the red beans, sometimes I do it with the black beans. So we're gonna have the black beans and rice, salmon with salad for dinner.